Welcome back to another 2-minute or less Thursday. Let's get right into it. In today's tip or trick, this involves using a curling iron, right? Now, when you use a curling iron, there's a lot of people using a curling iron. A lot of times when you use a curling iron, people can take a curling iron and they can get an immediate crease when they go to kind of clamp down right there. And they'll get a crease right here on this or like right through there, especially if they're holding it up. Okay, to avoid that crease, what I'm gonna suggest doing is that you want to rock back and forth first, just like that, and then you can go to clamp down and you will not get an actual crease there. So go ahead and try that, rock back and forth when it's hot, and then go ahead and clamp down right through there, and you're not going to get a crease at that root area. So go ahead and try that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my 2-minute or less Thursday. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.